Missing one bill doesn't just set you back, it quietly pushes you into a cycle that can cost you thousands over time. And the worst part? Most people think they just need to try harder, when in reality, the system is designed to make sure they fall behind again. Because once you miss one payment, everything gets more expensive. Your debt grows, your options shrink, and catching up becomes harder than falling behind. So if you've ever told yourself, I'll fix it next month, but next month comes and nothing really changes, you're not alone. But you are stuck in something most people don't even realize exists. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this cycle works and how to break it. Introduction. You get paid, and before the money even settles, it's already a sign. Rent, credit card, car payment, bills stacked on bills. You tell yourself, this month, I'll stay on top of everything. Then, life interrupts. Unexpected expense, prices go up, something shifts, and suddenly, you're not deciding what to pay, you're deciding what to delay. That's where the cycle begins. Here's what most people don't realize. The moment you delay, you've already lost ground. Let's say your credit card bill is $500. You miss it, not by much, just a few days. Now, there's a $35 late fee. Your balance isn't $500 anymore, it's $535. That doesn't sound like a big deal. But think about it, you were already struggling to pay $500. Now it's more. And this is just the beginning. Now interest kicks in. Let's say your card has a 24% APR. That $535, it starts growing. Quietly. Month after month. So when you finally pay $200, it feels like progress, but it's not. You're not attacking the debt, you're fighting the interest first. It's like trying to empty a bucket while someone is slowly pouring water back into it. You're working, but you're not winning. And then it gets worse. That missed payment, it hits your credit score. Now you're labeled as risk, and risk gets punished. Higher interest rates, worse loan terms, fewer options. So now, because you slipped once, everything becomes more expensive moving forward. This is where the trap locks in. Two people buy the same $20,000 car, same job, same income. One has good credit, leads to 6% interest. The other missed payments leads to 18%. One pays about $3,000 in interest. The other pays over $9,000. Same car, same life. One mistake changed the cost of everything. This isn't random. This is the system working exactly as designed. One mistake creates pressure. That pressure makes the next mistake easier. And before you realize it, you're in a loop. You miss one payment, now you owe more. Because you owe more, the next payment is harder. Because it's harder, you delay again. Because you delay again, your credit drops. Because your credit drops, everything gets more expensive. Now you're not behind. You're stuck. This is why it feels like, no matter what I do, I can't get ahead. Because you're not just managing money, you're fighting momentum. And right now, it's working again. So what do you do? Not motivation. Not just budget better. Actual moves. Step 1. Stabilize. Stop trying to fix everything at once. That's why you keep failing. Pick one critical bill. Keep that one current, even if others slip slightly. Stability beats chaos. Step 2. Kill the highest interest. Don't focus on the biggest debt. Focus on the fastest growing one. That's the real problem. That's the leak. Step 3. Change timing. Most people wait. That's the mistake. The moment money hits your account, assign it immediately. Because if you wait, you'll spend it mentally first. Step 4. Reduce friction. This is where most people fail. It's not about discipline. It's about systems. Automate payments. Set reminders. Remove decisions. Because every "I'll do it later" is where the cycle restarts. You're not lazy. You're not irresponsible. But you are in a system that turns small mistakes into long-term damage. And if you don't understand how it works, you'll keep blaming yourself. You're not broke. You're caught in a cycle. And once you see the cycle clearly, that's when you can finally break it.